Alesund in Sunnmøre, which has a population of about 50,000 people, is the biggest town in the Møre or Romsdal county. It is usually described as Art Nouveau town. Alesund is a small town on the lake, but it has much to do. The hiking and kayaking opportunities will appeal to outdoor enthusiasts, and history aficionados will find plenty to keep them busy. The majority of Norwegian cities share a similar appearance and atmosphere, aside from the wooden homes of the historic towns. Contrastingly, the stunning architecture of central Ålesund has more in common with Prague and Brussels than it does with Oslo or Bergen. The former wooden city was destroyed by fire in 1904, but German funding and young Norwegian designers joined forces to recreate it in the vogue of the day. Today, Ålesund stands head and shoulders above any other Nordic city as a spectacular example of the Art Nouveau style because to its turrets, towers and carvings. The town is perched precariously on a group of islands of various size and shapes, which helps to produce stunning views from practically anywhere in the town. Sunsets toward the end of the summer can be especially beautiful. Ålesund is the city where fjords, mountains and the sea converge. In addition to the city's fascinating Art Nouveau architecture, Ålesund makes a great base for activities of all kinds. There are numerous fjords, mountains and islands right outside of Ålesund waiting to be explored. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The city of Ålesund is filled with towers, spires and buildings that have exquisite embellishments, making a trip through it quite adventure. Did you know that Ålesund is a part of the Rousseau Art Nouveau network, an association of European cities with a Jagan style, together with Barcelona, Brussels, Vienna, Riga and Glasgow? A kayak tour from the city center is a terrific way to discover Ålesund from the seaside, and Ålesund offers kayak adventures all year round. Combine the finest of the sea and the mountains into one excursion by hiking and kayaking with a knowledgeable guide. The Art Nouveau city is also the perfect spot for excursions to explore the famous Geirangerfjorden. From here you might join a cruise directly from the quay in Ålesund to the UNESCO World Heritage Site area Geiranger, which is surrounded by steep mountains and impressive waterfalls. Climbing the stairs to the top of Mount Axla, the town's very own, although small mountain that gives a stunning view from its summit, is another must-do activity. However, there are more than 400 steps, so only take this into consideration if you are reasonably fit. As long as you are physically capable, there are no safety concerns because the steps have just been upgraded. When you get to the top, stop by the cafe for an ice cream to replenish your energy. You can have meals at the restaurant that serves excellent regional cuisine, of course at a premium price, and of course with a stunning view of the city and the nearby islands.